Computer programming is telling a computer what to do and how to do it. So just how you have like Spanish or French, computer programming is just another language.
In our everyday lives, you speak language and you use that to communicate and instruct when you're around people. Similarly, a programming language is exactly the same thing. It's just a language that you'd use to talk to the computer.
It's code, and so code is a bunch of symbols and letters, but it's really more like a language.
I see computer programming a lot like molding clay because you can do whatever you want. It's only limited by your imagination.
If I want my phone to alert me at 5 p.m., that's a piece of software that someone coded to make sure that when I press that button, it's gonna alert me. If I want to know, the latest Snapchat that someone sent me, that's also a piece of code.
You jump in your car and you start it. There are lots of computers in there figuring out how to turn the engine the very first time, how much gas to put in.
A lot of these components that you see all around you are completely coded by someone, and that's what makes it really exciting.
The video games that I played as kids, figuring out how that worked and that it was code that was powering all of that was a really awesome moment in my life, and it really kind of fueled my desire to keep learning. Communication is like a huge thing. We need to talk through how are we going to implement it? What language are we going to use? Are we going to make an Android app or an iOS app? Planning that all out ahead of time before you even touch a computer is really important.
Being a programmer, you just have to be comfortable with knowing that you're going to make mistakes.
I think the most frustrating thing about computer programming is it's very detailed. So your code could break because you put a period somewhere where it wasn't supposed to be.
Getting through bugs is a really great source of learning, and it will make you stronger for the next task that you have. And it's really how you gain experience as a programmer. So although it does require a lot of patience, I think it's really rewarding.
As long as you have persistence and determination and the willpower and drive to commit to something, you'll be able to achieve what you want.
You don't have to work for Facebook and do computer programming. If you want to be a doctor and have computer programming as a knowledge and you're building medical devices, then by all means you can do that. Computer programming allows you to say, hey, I can go ahead and find some other opportunity or some other company or some other job that I'm really, really interested in and still take these skills because they're pretty much universal.
I loved the culture of tech companies and I loved what they were working on and how easy it felt to just work on something and then ship it to the world.
With computer programming, you're taking nothing and you're creating something. It takes a little bit of creativity. It requires that you are a risk taker, that you try something new, and push the boundaries of what we thought computer programming could do.
You should never feel like you're not good enough to even try it.
Don't be afraid to fail. You gotta be creative. You gotta think through problems.
And the fact that I know that I can build something that could really change someone's life, that is the best feeling in the world. And I think that's probably what keeps me in computer programming.
We love programming!